Hey guys, welcome back to Modern Men and Modern Golf. Today we're talking about this guy. This is to me the Cadillac Escalade of stand bags. Gorgeous, big, brawny, strong. But how does this 6.5 pound bag do for everyday use? From walking to riding to pull cart, 9.5 by 11 top. How does it work? Let's talk about it next. Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and certainly like this video. So I've received more messages of me reviewing this bag than anything else. Any social media, from Instagram to Twitter to YouTube, hundreds if not thousands of requests to review a Ghost bag. So Ghost and I had a conversation. I said I would review it, let me test it out for a few days. So here we are. So I was shocked. I had never seen a Ghost bag before prior to receiving this about a week or so ago. The color is stunning. The overall materials are great. It's, as you guys would call pleather, but a polyurethane, a plastic imitation leather that's super durable, that looks great, super easy to clean. But really was surprised by this. So the one I received, and I'll show you guys here pictures, I received the 14-way top version, which I really like. I like the putter pit, I like the organization, I like how it's velour lined. Just a beautiful bag. In the top 2 or 3 in the industry by far. But let's get into this particular bag, what I like and what I would hope for maybe in a refresh. So this particular bag comes with 2 straps, which is a great and very neat concept by Ghost. I did not use a single strap at all, so I'm not even going to mention it. But I think it's cool that they certainly send you both. So again, this bag is gray, black, red, and yellow accents here. The branding is nicely done. I think they could tame it down a bit, but I like the black bags, the white and black one. I like how it's kind of a more of a monochrome look. It's not screaming, but again, subjective. I don't like yellow for this particular colorway. I would have gone with a black here or even a red. I thought would have been a little more cool. So anyway, I have walked with this bag. I walked 18 yesterday with it in about 85-degree heat. I've taken on a pull cart and I've put it on a regular gas-powered cart. It's performed flawlessly for all 3. I will say when you're walking, the stature of this bag is a little more upright than I'm used to, but not in a bad way. So if most bags, let's say, tilt this at, let's say, a 45-degree, this one's probably more like at a 60-degree. And I'll show you pictures, but performed great. Really enjoyed the bag. So let's get into the bag itself. Carbon fiber legs held up great. One of the things, and I'll show you guys a picture of as we do this, incredibly large rubber feet. I mean, huge, literally double the size of what I currently use for a bag. So really, really nicely done here. As we turn this guy, has an umbrella loop, also a little thing to put the point of the umbrella down into. So great with that. Great towel ring here, metal, dark finish, beautiful. Also has a Velcro piece here for your glove. They also, which I think was very cool, they give you a bag tag with your bag, which I thought was pretty neat. I've never seen that anywhere, so this is very cool with them. They also, and you can see in here, they use their logo in their strapping, which I think doesn't come out great in certain lights, but it's a really neat look. So beautiful material, beautiful quilting. I think that's what draws me to this bag. It's just stunning. I know some of the other colorways, this is a different material than the polyurethane. Again, this is the only one I've ever seen, so I'm not 100% sure. So let's get into the pockets. And again, what I think makes this bag so unique is we're all used to a larger pocket on the right side. I'm not sure if their CEO is left-handed and got tired of not being able to throw this side of the bag on his hip. I'm not sure, but it's different, it's cool. Very neat, large pockets here on top for your valuables, velour lined. They did a really nice job with that. Have a very large, what I call an igloo pocket, thermal lined, so you can put your drinks or food or Twinkies or donuts or a keg of beer, whatever you want to put inside there. Very cool. Neat. Embroidery, logoing, I think that's really nice. Large pocket here with the pull tabs. And I'll get you a better picture, I'll put it up now. But a decent amount of storage for that. There's also a zip lining in here to actually get into your club. So if you're lost your keys down there, you can undo it. You can undo the zipper and get into it that way. There's a pen loop here to hold your pen, which is great. My only concern with that is I wasn't sure if your pen goes all the way down, what happens. Hopefully that doesn't happen. What you can see here is they have venting outlets here, which is a very good idea. So if you are putting your keg of beer in here, it'll vent out that bottom. Now we can get into, let me throw these up here real quick. We can get into these, also magnetic, like this pocket is magnetic. These are magnetic and also has a kind of a pull tab, like a little bungee cord here to tighten this up. Really neat concept. I had water bottles in both of these pockets, certainly yesterday when I walked, but almost every round that I've used. They held up great, nothing fell out. Really, really nicely done. The ball pocket here is cavernous, and I mean cavernous, it's huge. There are no internal pockets inside this, but really, really big. One of the things I wanted to show you guys as well, because I thought this was really neat, I've never seen this before. Ghost sends you with all kinds of little accessories. So this is something to mark your golf ball with, extra pull tabs in different colors, different sizes, different lengths. Really cool, really nice gesture. I think that's standard. I don't think because I'm reviewing it, they sent it, but I think it's a really neat thing. This ball pocket does in fact come off. If you want to get embroidered, it's just Velcro and you unzip it, away you go. This pocket here with the Ghost guy on it, rubberized, I think is a great touch. Pull here, magnetic, all velour lined. Everyone's gonna tell you this is for your rangefinder. You know, if you want to put your phone in there, your keys or what have you. Just a great pocket, closes up and stays pretty tight. Really nicely done by these guys. The other side mirrors, obviously the right side. I have for this one the dual strap. I will say these straps held up really well. Beautiful straps, very comfortable. I walked 18 yesterday in a very hilly course in very hot temperatures, and it did marvelously well. So leather handle here. What I will say is the inside is a fabric. The outside is aesthetics, is a leather or imitation leather, not sure. This top handle is great, plastic, so it's not leather like some others, but it's really a nice top grab as you grab it, set your clubs down, that kind of stuff. So these come off real easy. If you just want to snap your straps off, come off super easy. Just overall a really, really good bag. I would say it's the top 2 or 3 bags that I've seen in the industry right now. It is definitely like the Cadillac Escalade of stand bags. It's really big, it's really beefy. I'll show you a picture of another brand next to it, how much wider this bag is. So let me go into 2 things, and I thought you guys would be interested. My 2 things that I would like to change with this bag, and I'm hoping they're listening to feedback, and this isn't to hurt anybody's feelings or whatnot. I played yesterday, played the last few days, and what I noticed initially was not a lot of storage between these 2 pockets, really these 4, but really between these. So I usually carry a towel or 2, tees. I only carry about 6 or 7 balls at most, but a suntan lotion, bug spray, all those things in here. It was so jammed that I had a hoodie on yesterday that I had to give my hoodie to one of the guys we were playing with because it literally couldn't fit in either one of these pockets. So everyday golf, 0 issues with this. You're going on a longer trip that you need rain gear or other things, or you pack a lot of donuts when you play, or Twinkies or ding dongs. this may not be the best thing for you. I like the bag. Again, I'm not trying to knock it. I'm just trying to be constructive here. The design is great. They just need a little more storage. So hopefully they're coming out with an XL version. I don't know of anything, but it definitely needs a little bit more storage than these pockets. This really isn't what I would consider a Sunday bag, which I think some people would say, well, you don't need a lot. This is an everyday, you know, kind of brute of a golf bag, and so I just think a little more storage would do well. So that was one thing I don't like. The yellow embroidery is not my favorite, but that's subjective. I'm not going to worry about this. And just to show you guys, this is the rain hood that it comes with. It's not the same material as the plastic, obviously, but it's fine. I mean, I'll be honest, I take most of my rain hoods out of my bags because it just takes up storage. So that could be a solution for the storage issue, is just pull this thing out and then you've got really two full pockets. I'll put some pictures up as well of how the pockets look. But overall, a great job. One last thing I wanted to show you guys, the handle here, the grab hand on the bottom is rubber. They also do a really nice job, is this whole bottom, besides this piece, all this material in here, or a lot of the touch points, are all rubber. So it's really grippy. If you're playing on a wet cart path or a wet course, they've really done a nice job, and you guys know how I love the logos on the bottom of the bags. But a really, really, really nice bag for Ghost. This is the first time I've ever seen one in person. I really like it. Again, I've only seen this colorway. The black and white Oreo is probably the one I like the most. The all blacks are nice, and the all white certainly. But very, very nice bag if you're on the fence. Again, shocked when I got it how nice it was. I've seen a lot of nice bags in my life, and this is definitely one of the nicer ones up there. So if you're new to this channel, certainly don't hesitate to subscribe. Certainly like this. As I mentioned before in other videos, every 100 new subscribers we give away great prizes. Last time up was a Bad Birdie package. There's some other ones coming up, so certainly stay tuned. And if there's anything else you guys want to see, let me know. I know I've reached out to another bag manufacturer, and hopefully we'll have another bag in there for you guys to check out. But really, really nice bag. You will not go wrong. It's $380 price point, so again, not a cheap golf bag, but they've done a really, really nice job on it. So again, guys, thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time. Love your support. Anything you guys want to see, certainly let me know, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.